Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the program for non-blocking communication. Earlier, we have seen programs for sending, receiving, broadcasting, scattering and gathering the data. So here we will see the non-blocking mode of communication. So we are going to write the program from scratch. So let us create a Python file nano prog10.py. So I made a mistake in typing in the nano command, and this is the nano editor as we know. Now let us import MPI for pi. Import MPI. Import sys com equals to MPI dot com world rank com dot get rank. If rank equals to 0, data equals to a dictionary A 7 B 3.14 REQ equals to com dot isend data dest equals to 1 comma tag equals to 11 request dot wait. Okay, and sys dot std out dot write let us say something send %d and %f. %d is for integer, %f is for float, from rank 0 /n is for new line, and let us take it in the new line actually. Data of A comma data of B. Okay, and yeah, so this is for rank 0. So now we are gonna do elif rank equals to 1. So we are just going to use two nodes, node number 0 and node number 1. REQ equals to com dot IRECV source equals to 0. So that is the source, and tag equals to 11. So that is the tag of the data. Data REQ dot wait. Okay, and finally we will just go ahead and copy this and paste it here. Okay, and received at rank 1. So I guess the program is okay and it is very easy to understand. So the only thing that we are adding here is this wait stuff. Okay. So this wait allows us to enable non-blocking mode of communication. So I'm just going to save it and let us try to run it on the single node first. MPI run -np for prog10. Okay, so there is some problem. The problem is that we haven't mentioned the interpreter. Okay, there is some problem. So let us see what the problem is. So it says invalid syntax. So let us edit the file. So I guess we have missed a bracket here and here too. So I'm just going to save it again and let us try to execute it. Yeah, this time the program executed without any problem. So let me show you the execution once again. So the command is mpi run -np for python 3 prog10.py. So this is the output. So now let us go ahead and copy this file on all the other nodes. So we already have executed the command for scp earlier. So I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, now I'm gonna run this in the parallel mode. So let us see the command for running it on multiple hosts with mpi run. Okay, so here I'm gonna say 10 in place of 9 and this is the output. So this is how we can have non-blocking mode of communication between the processes running on different nodes with mpi run. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any problems, questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot once again and I will see you next time.